Bitcoin dips below $69,000, Ether floats above $3,700. Thailand SEC approves first spot Bitcoin ETF for investors. Coinbase boosts Fairshake Super PAC with an additional $25 million donation. Crypto miner Co-Scientific Inc.'s $3.5 billion deal to diversify into AI. Binance announces major changes to stablecoin access in Europe. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as weak US manufacturing data weighed on market sentiment. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading near $68,500 mark, and Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1% at 88,000 points. According to a report, selling by long-term holders was a key reason for Bitcoin's correction from all-time highs, but blockchain data suggests that these holders have started to re-accumulate BTC for the first time since December 2023. The number of new Bitcoin and Ether accumulation addresses has also been growing over the past month, a sign of increasing bullish sentiment despite the price stability, Bitfinex analysts added, citing CryptoQuant data. In an interesting piece of news, crypto funds registered $185 million in inflows last week, averaging $2 billion in May and $15 billion in 2024. However, trading volumes dropped to $8 billion compared to $13 billion the previous week. Bitcoin continued to attract investor confidence with inflows of $148 million, while short Bitcoin products faced outflows of $3.5 million. Furthermore, Binance, a major cryptocurrency exchange, has suspended cash payments for peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trades, preventing local users from buying or selling supported cryptocurrencies. The move is likely for compliance reasons to prevent users from bypassing government rules such as tax requirements. According to JP Morgan strategists, retail investors have been making their way back into cryptocurrency markets, pushing well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ether to multi-week highs following a lull in April. Interestingly, according to JP Morgan's reports, Ethereum witnessed $20.7 billion in daily trading volumes, while Bitcoin had a 14-day average of $28.9 billion. However, Ethereum's average daily trading volumes climbed by 86.4% during the last 2 weeks. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.5 trillion mark, decreasing 0.8% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 3.4% to $76 billion. In another news, Notcoin's 24-hour volume, fueled by a significant price increase, exceeded that of Solana and BNB. As of this writing, Not's volume was $4.54 billion, while the price was $0.021, a 287% hike in the last 7 days. This surge in volume indicates that a lot of capital was deployed in the token's favor. Moving on, Pepe in a meme world is gaining interest among cryptocurrency traders due to its recent listing on 5 centralized exchanges and multiple listing on decentralized exchanges. This has led to increased awareness among crypto users, with PEW experiencing a surge of over 1,260% within a week. Moreover, Ethena Labs' USDE stablecoin, also known as a synthetic dollar, has reached $3 billion in supply in just 4 months after its public launch. Well, launched in February, USDE has seen rapid growth due to its unique arbitrage mechanics and yield-generating cash and carry trade. US top futures traded flat as Wall Street looked to find its footing after an uneven start to the month. Futures for the Dow Jones Industrial Average was trading flat. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped by nearly 0.1% each. Bitcoin was trading at $68,685, down 0.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.7%, trading at $3,750. BNB was down by 0.6% to trade at $625. Solana as well was down 0.3% and was trading at $164. Cardano's AD token was down by 0.2% to trade at $0.45. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $34.6, lower 4%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.4% to trade at $0.69. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.8% at $0.15. Shiba Inu was trading down by 5.3%. Polkadot was down by 2.3% to trade at $7. However, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, up by 0.1%.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. Thailand's SEC has given its approval for the first Bitcoin ETF to take off in the country. Thai SEC endorsed asset manager One Asset Management to introduce a Bitcoin ETF, according to the Bangkok Post. The One Bitcoin ETF fund is scheduled to be distributed between May 31st and June 6th. Under the Thai SEC's rules, the ETF will be limited to wealthy and institutional investors. Now, this follows the regulator amending local guidelines in April to permit restricted Bitcoin ETFs targeting professional investors. The fund will invest in 11 leading global Bitcoin funds, guaranteeing liquidity while observing international storage standards and regulatory compliance overseen by the US and Hong Kong. Coinbase, a popular crypto exchange in the US, announced an additional $25 million donation to Fairshake PAC in a blog post. Well, Coinbase stated that this fund aims to elect pro-crypto candidates and defend crypto users' rights. With this latest contribution, Fairshake and its affiliates have raised a total of $160 million this election cycle, making it one of the largest super PACs. The donation reflects Coinbase's strategy to expedite regulatory clarity through legislative and judicial means. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong emphasized the importance of electing pro-crypto candidates to overcome legislative gridlock and ensure the country's growth. Co-Scientific has announced a $3.5 billion 12-year contract with NVIDIA-backed cloud service provider CoreWeave. This significant partnership marks a strategic shift for Co-Scientific as its venture beyond Bitcoin mining into HPC and machine learning. CoreWeave will also enhance Co-Scientific's existing infra, making it apt for AI or the complex AI applications. Under the partnership's financial terms, CoreWeave will handle all initial capital payments, including a significant $300 million allocated to infra upgrades. Now, these investments will be strategically recouped through hosting fees, providing financial relief and reducing risk exposure. With estimated annual revenues of around $290 million from the contracts, Co-Scientific anticipates a significant boost in earnings, enhancing shareholder value. Meanwhile, Co-Scientific stock has been up by 40% year to date. Binance has announced that it will implement MiCA stablecoin rules on June 30, 2024. The new regulation requirements will restrict unregulated stablecoins in the European market, and the Binance exchange platform will offer favorable conditions for them to become regulated. Binance said it would begin implementing MiCA stablecoin rules for its customers in the European Economic Area. As a result, associated digital assets and trading pairs will be affected. The largest exchange platform by trading volume has consistently made efforts to comply with regional regulations and requirements, and this stablecoin regulation will protect investors on the exchange platform by restricting access to unauthorized stablecoins. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us now have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have USDE. Ethena Labs USDE stablecoin, also known as a synthetic dollar, has reached $3 billion in supply in just 4 months after its public launch. Launched in February, USDE has seen rapid growth due to its unique arbitrage mechanics and yield-generating cash and carry trade. Since April 5th, USDE's supply has increased by $1 billion compared to its previous $2 billion. To challenge DAI as the largest algorithmic or decentralized stablecoin, USDE needs to add another $2 billion in supply. Currently, USDE holds a 4th place in the overall stablecoin market with 3.3% share compared to Tether's dominant 57% share. Next on the list, we have Notcoin. Notcoin's 24-hour volume, fueled by a significant price increase, exceeded that of Solana and BNB. As of today, Not's volume was $4.54 billion, while the price was $0.02, a 287% hike in the last 7 days. This surge in volume indicates that a lot of capital was deployed in the token's favor. Notcoin launched about a month ago and previously faced selling pressure. However, it quickly rose to the top 100, market capitalization rising above bonk. Notcoin's open interest around the token surged over the weekend, reaching $273 million, which is a sign of new liquidity. Next on the list, we have Pew. Pepe in a meme world is gaining interest among cryptocurrency traders due to its recent listing on 5 centralized exchanges and multiple listings on decentralized exchanges. This has led to increased awareness among crypto users, with Pew experiencing a surge of over 1,260% within a week. The price trend of Pew reflects investors' outlook in the crypto market, particularly with meme coins. Anticipating a significant bull run puts crypto speculators on the alert, exposing them to potential profitable opportunities in the developing bull cycle. Next on the list, we have GME. The Roaring Kitty Twitter account owned by financial analyst Keith Gill has returned after going silent 2 weeks ago. This has led to a nearly doubled GameStop share price, which is now trading at $38. Gill's studied account claims to be the GameStop whale, who had been buying up $20 call options for GME with a June 21 expiry. The stock options are essentially a bet that GME will be worth more than $20 on June 21. Gill's trading was getting attention because its position had swelled to $116 million. Just a few weeks ago, one GameStop whale made headlines for pocketing $44 million by selling GME options right before the Roaring Kitty Twitter account went silent. Next on the list, we have Ronin. The Ronin network saw a recovery in May, with over 3 million monthly users, indicating a recovery in the gaming sector. The Ronin blockchain is the primary support for the Axie Infinity game, additional mini games, and the Marvis NFT marketplace. The activity on around 15 leading Ronin apps leads to 1.3 million daily active wallets. Ronin already competes with Polygon, one of the most in-demand gaming chains, and Telegram's chain, which admits to mostly carry trading bots. The Ronin ecosystem is building value again, mostly through its largest apps, with Ronin increasing its total value locked to about $200 million after gradual growth in May.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.